Hi, third grade. This is Mrs. Renele. I'm going to teach you about division using equal groups and help you review this skill. I'm going to start by sharing my screen with you. We're going to look at some important vocabulary together. Here is a division equation. The first number, the big number, is called the dividend. The second number we call the divisor. And this number will tell us how many groups we need when we divide with equal groups. Our third number is called the quotient. That is the answer to a division equation. I'm going to start by showing you a familiar page. I got this from BrainPop, and I'm going to walk through problem number 1 with you, showing how to use equal groups to find the quotient. Question 1 says Grandpa, Mia, and Annie want to split 6 pennies equally. How many pennies does each person get? So I have a model here of pennies, and I have a division equation that goes with the model. Our first number is the dividend. There are 6 pennies total. Then I'm going to divide 6 into 3 groups. That's my divisor. Okay, so let's look at our model. 6 pennies, I need 3 equal groups. So I'm going to draw 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups. Now to find the quotient, I want to look inside 1 group. I see that there are 2 pennies in each group. That means our quotient is 2. Okay? So your model matches how many items there are to begin with. Then you can divide into the same amount of groups that the equation says. Our equation says 3, so I circled 3 groups. Then I look inside 1 group to find the quotient. Let's try it again. I'm going to show you a new equation. This time I'm going to use the stamp tool to show my items. So this says build the equal groups model of the equation. So we have 16 divided by 2. All right, so I need 16 items and I need 2 equal groups. So let's mark up my problem here. So 16 is my dividend. So I'm going to have 16 items total, and I need 2 equal groups. Okay, I'm going to start by drawing 2 big groups. 1 group, a second group. Okay, now I need 16 items. I'm going to use this stamp today because I found this tool and it's really awesome. And I'm going to count up to 16. Now I'm going to do 1 stamp in each until I get to 16. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and stop. My equation has a dividend of 16, so I have 16 hearts altogether. And I've divided them into 2 groups. So now I can look inside one of the groups to see that how many hearts there are or how many shapes I have. So now I can count them. I'm going to skip count by 2 because I made some nice rows and columns here. So 2, 4, 6, 8. There are 8 hearts in each group. So I just proved that 16 hearts divided into 2 groups means there's 8 in each group. 8 in this group, 8 in this group. And we know using doubles that 8 plus 8 is the same thing as 16. okay? The last thing I want to show you is a brain pop video. I'm not going to play it for you, but if you would like to learn more about making equal groups, if you go to Brain Pop Junior and you search for this video, Making Equal Groups Division, you can see more about how to divide equally using equal groups. I hope this is helpful today with your math work on Pearson. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. Thank you so much for watching,